If you create training or marketing content, you know exactly where the process slows down. You write a script in one application, attempt to design slides in another, and then spend hours recording and editing the actual video. The workflow is fragmented, requiring constant switching between tools and consuming massive amounts of time. HeyGen and Gamma have now integrated their systems to remove those steps. A single detailed text prompt can now generate an entire slide deck and produce the corresponding video presentation simultaneously. To show you exactly how to execute this, we will follow the methodology of Candy Chan, an expert at navigating AI-driven presentation workflows. We will also look at insights from Coach BK Han, who specializes in using these unified tools to build scalable content creation strategies. By connecting these two platforms, you replace hours of disparate writing, design, and recording tasks with a streamlined production engine that scales your output without adding extra labor. Step 1 happens right inside the HeyGen dashboard. This is where you enter the initial description of your topic to start the generation process. Think of this text box as your master prompt. The system uses this single input to build every element of your presentation, so you must provide explicit, exact instructions for the AI to follow. If you type in a short, vague idea, the AI lacks the required data. You will likely end up with generic slides and a script that is unusable for a specific audience. Candy Chan advises that the best results come from feeding the system granular details. Outline your specific talking points, define your exact target audience, and state your core message before you do anything else. Once you initiate the process, the system accepts your prompt and transfers the processing payload over to the Gamma integration. Gamma then reads your parameters and automatically constructs the static slide deck. It organizes the structural layout, handles the color matching, and places the graphics without requiring manual adjustments. Because you put the necessary detail into that initial prompt, you bypass the blank canvas phase. The heaviest lifting of drafting and design is finished in seconds. After the initial generation is complete, you move into the customization phase. Here, you review the Gamma presentation deck and begin refining the AI's first draft. This vector chart demonstrates how text density alters content. Increasing density packs information on fewer slides. Decreasing it spreads data across more slides. Dedicated menus also modify tone and language. Switching from academic to conversational automatically rewrites the messaging structure to match. Every time you adjust these parameters, the slide canvas updates in real time. You instantly see exactly how your choices affect the final layout before moving forward. AI generation does not mean surrendering control. You remain the director, fine-tuning the pacing and the visual style until the deck matches your requirements. Now that the slide content is locked in, the next step is bringing those static pages to life with a human presence. You start by selecting an AI avatar from the HeyGen library. Then you assign an AI voice profile that complements the specific subject matter and tone of your deck. The interface provides deep control over the delivery. You can dial in the precise emotion you want the avatar to project and adjust the exact reading speed of the voiceover. Before finalizing the project, preview the audio track. You need to verify that the avatar's spoken pacing aligns cleanly with the visual information appearing on the slides. Finally, the system renders the project. It fuses your finalized slide deck and the customized avatar narration together into a single cohesive video file. The output you receive is a complete professional presentation. It is fully processed and ready for your audience to watch or download. The fusion of text, design, and human narration converts a simple prompt into a synchronized, professional presentation ready for immediate distribution. This completed video has immediate utility across multiple professional environments without requiring further post-production. Because of the structured slide format, this workflow is effective for building step-by-step tutorials, comprehensive online courses, and standardized business presentations. This method is designed for high-volume marketing production, enabling you to deploy and test multiple messaging variations at a pace traditional production cannot match. And because the integration handles the heavy lifting of layout and recording, executing this production process requires zero prior graphic design or video editing skills. To integrate these exact methods into your operations, connect with Coach BK Han to master advanced workflows and optimize your AI video strategy.